Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get different blocks in Yeeps Hide and Seek. You can obtain blocks primarily through two main methods: crafting them with stuffing or purchasing them using the in-game currency called butt coins. Additionally, many unique and rare blocks can be discovered within special community-created worlds. We will explore each of these exciting avenues to help you expand your building possibilities and customize your game experience. To get started, you'll need to gather stuffing from special machines located throughout the game world. This stuffing is essential for crafting many of your foundational blocks. For more advanced items, you'll use butt coins, the game's currency. You can earn butt coins through daily logins, by completing various achievements, and even by having your in-game pets bring them back. Once you have enough, head to the tech web to purchase new blocks and gadgets. Beyond the standard offerings, many rare and extraordinary blocks await discovery. These are often found in community-created worlds, which you can access by entering specific codes. Keep an eye out for unique items like void blocks, which absorb light, or vibrant lemon blocks. Some players even share maps specifically designed to help you collect these special items. You can also explore creative glitches to combine blocks and craft truly one-of-a-kind structures. Once you have a collection of blocks, creative mode is your ultimate sandbox. Here, you can place blocks without spending any stuffing or butt coins, allowing for limitless experimentation. You can even copy and paste entire user-made maps to quickly build elaborate environments. Don't be afraid to combine different block types and experiment with their properties. This is your chance to truly express your imagination and create a world that is uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.